Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are trading expert here to help you with our signals plus with our psychology behind our signals, and I will explain you each entry step by step and the logic behind our signals. So to join our channels, you can just click on the link in description or just message on @rebind support on Telegram. So let's begin. So this is the new format for our signals. Here you can see CHF 5 minutes up. This you already know, the candle plus the candle timer and the chart. So, and this one is the direction up. Here's what's new. We have just started the time zone and expiry time. This time zone is where we trade from, Dubai. This is the Dubai time zone, and you can set your time zone to match our expiry time according to us. And you can just change your time zone, then your expiry time will automatically match with our expiry time. So that's it. So the signal was for up. Here you can see the moving average was indicating for the upside, plus the moving average was also near, plus there was a good uptrend going on. So this was a very good indication to take this trade for the call side. So this was a very good trade for the call side, and we took it and we won it. Amazing win right there. And the next signal was for GBP USD 5 minute spot. Here you can see this was a very good win. In this, there was a good downtrend going on. There was a continuation pattern, and the market was indicating for the downside, plus the moving average was also indicating for the downside. We took a trade right here for the downside near the moving average. We won it with a very good entry. The next signal was for GBP CHF 5 minutes call. Here you can see this was a very good one. In this, there was a good support level, and the price was retracing again and again from the support level. So we took a trade on the upside, and there was a continuation pattern also going on. So we take a trade for the call side and we won it. Amazing trade for this. The next signal was for GB CHF 5 minute spot. Here you can see there was a resistance level, a strong resistance level where the candles were rejecting again and again, plus the moving average was also indicating for the downside, and the market was below the moving average. This means there was a good uptrend. So this was our 3 confirmation trade. We took it and we won it with a very good entry. Amazing trade right there. So that's all. Session closes here. 4 normal article wins. Amazing wins for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.